we try to evaluate this limit, we can see that we're going to get 0 on the bottom. So we're going to use L'Hopital's rule. By my properties of limits, I can pull this constant out front of the limit, so I can rewrite this as 3 times the limit as x approaches 0 of e to the x minus 1 minus x over x squared. Now I can use L'Hopital's rule and take the derivative, the top and bottom, so that's equivalent to 3 times the limit as x approaches 0 of e to the x minus 1. Okay, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. The derivative of 1 is 0. Okay, so that term goes away. The derivative of x is 1, so I have e to the x minus 1. And the derivative of my bottom using the power rule is 2x. Now, if I try direct substitution here, I'm still going to end up with division by 0. So I have to go through this process one more time. So by taking the derivative once again, we end up with 3 times the limit as x approaches 0 of the derivative of e to the x minus 1 is just e to the x. The derivative of 2x is just 2. So now we can evaluate this. We don't have any division by 0, and we get 3 times 1/2, which is 3 halves. And that is the limit.